Hey folks, Tim Orlando here with another great fresh trade. Today I have a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda Fit LX. This has a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's going to get you great fuel economy. This car has front wheel drive and more storage than almost any vehicle its size. I think it's got more storage on the inside than the outside. It's crazy how much storage this has. Backup camera and a ton of other features. Let's take a look. All right, so diving in for a closer look on this Honda Fit, you can see there's a ton of room. Big ol' hatch, and it actually goes up way up, about 6 feet in the air. You have a lot of room, and you have a spare tire underneath, which a lot of these smaller cars aren't going to give you. So you have all that. Now you can lay these seats down real big, nice and easy right there, and then you can move around. 90-degree rear opening doors. Now as that seat folded down over there, this one will do the same, but they'll also both go up. So you have 4 feet floor to ceiling on this car. All weather, rubberized mats in here. Moving up to the front, you have an AM, FM, CD player, on-wheel controls. You got a sport mode, a low mode. So this thing's gonna really get you good traction in the winter time. And it's also gonna get you close to that 40 mile per gallon mark. So, as you can see, this 2016 Honda Fit LX is very nice, very clean, offers a lot of nice features. And it's certified pre-owned, which means it's going to get you up to 100,000 miles of powertrain coverage, bumper-to-bumper comprehensive coverage, roadside assistance. So if you need more or want more information on this car, come on down and see me, Tim Orlando, at Delaney Honda, right across from Walmart on Oakland Avenue in Indiana, right off of 422. Or just pick up the phone and give me a call, 724-717-1500. I really look forward to meeting you.